Down, please, sir.
Why?
So we can check what weight it is.
Okay, fair enough.
Well, where is it currently?
So it's others.
Don't let it land on me.
I won't.
What's the purpose of the filming?
One thing at a time.
Sure, I'm just going to spot.
Yeah, you want to see the weight, my friend? Where's it going?
Sure, you're on the top.
249, okay.
What's that mean? What's 249?
The weight, 249 grams.
Take
Yes, for the
off.
weight.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Oh, what? Hold on, bring it down, mate, bring it down.
Home point
Let's put it
update.
down.
Yeah,
What's
bring it
the
down.
purpose now?
Bring it down for here, sir.
What for now?
Well, I think we're in the no-fly zone for New City Airport here.
Another no-fly zone claim, no facts to back it up. The auditor already verified the CIA map and knows he's clear. This isn't law, he says. If police want to stop a legal flight, they need to show an actual rule or restricted area, not just guesswork. Always check official airspace before you fly. That's your shield. When an officer flashes uncertainty like a badge, that's not authority. It's just noise.
Do you want it down or up?
Yeah, up, down, please.
What's the purpose now?
Because obviously you're recording, you know what this place is. Yeah.
Right.
So we're just, while we're talking to you, just chatting with you.
What do you want to talk about?
What
Because then, what do you want to talk about?
We've asked you to bring it down, so.
I've just brought it down to show you the weight, but what do you want it down for now?
Because we're still talking to you, aren't we?
About what?
Oh, well, why are you here?
To film the storage.
Okay.
Are we done?
Well, yeah, we're just looking, that's all. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, great.
Sir, going to check. Auditor. No, I've already checked, my friend. It's fine. Officer. Do you want it down or up? Auditor. Up and down, sure. But what's the purpose now? Officer. Well, because obviously you're recording. You know what this place is? Auditor. Yeah. Officer. Right, we're just talking to you, just chatting. Auditor. Okay, what do you actually want to talk about? Officer. We've asked you to bring it down. Auditor. I've already brought it down to show you the weight. Why do you want it down now? Officer. Because we're still talking to you. Auditor. About what? Officer. Why are you here? Auditor. To film the storage. Officer. Okay. Auditor. Are we done? Officer. Well, yeah. Auditor. Great, that's all. Interview.
We're currently checking on his laptop and all sorts there.
Metro Victor 110, you confirmed is that wrong? Is that paragraph?
Wait one, I'll tell you the road name just sir. What's is it a DJI Don't look
drone?
at my
What is it?
sir.
What's that?
What is it? DJI drone, is it? Yeah. Okay, alright.
You doing your checks?
Sorry sir?
You doing your checks?
I'm busy doing them now.
You're busy doing them now? I'll show you if you want. I'll show you if you want. Make it easy for you.
No thanks.
This is a stall tactic. The auditor already complied once to show the weight, which was reasonable. Now the drone is grounded only because the conversation drags on. That's not a legal reason. It's control theater. Police can ask questions, sure, but they can't use small talk to block lawful activity. The line is simple. Once safety is verified, the flight continues. Dragging it out turns into a soft detention, and soft detentions are still detentions.
Are you free? Are you free?
Free.
Free at the moment to talk?
Yes.
Yeah. What can you tell me about this place?
Nothing really, other than it's a Met Police building, that's all.
Is it,
So I'm also obliged to tell you.
if I ask you the question, will you say yes or no?
Probably not.
Because I think they store exhibits here that go from laboratories to police stations, and then sometimes to auctioneers as well.
Okay.
Am I on the right track, or is it the more to that? Because that's
I don't know. I don't know.
what's your purpose of being here today?
Visit the site.
To drop off or collect?
Don't need to tell you that.
No, it's only general chat.
No, but I know you're recording. I know what it's all about.
It's a brand new facility. It's cost the public a lot
Yeah.
of money. We just want to know what it does, that's all. And if it's simply
Yeah.
storage for goods that are possibly seized or
I'm not obliged to
getting
tell
tested.
you or what I'm doing.
I don't want your proof because I'm trying to build my own case. The auditor offers to show the official data immediately. The officer refuses and starts fishing on a laptop. That's not due diligence, it's delay by design. If an officer can quickly confirm compliance and chooses not to, the pause becomes pressure on accountability work. Refusing to look at evidence is a red flag. Truth shouldn't be scary if the goal is safety, not control.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
You can do that, actually.
There you go, that's a good reply.
That's a good point. Yeah, I didn't think of that. So I'm not being argumentative with you. I'm being perfectly polite, but I'm just not obliged to because I don't know where it's going to go to, who it's going to go to. It's going to see it. End of the day, it's just still a police building. Yeah, that's it.
Don't reveal the secrets, that's all. Just give us some general information.
Honest,
Just say, it's a storage warehouse, maybe.
I'm honest, mate, I don't know any secrets here. They're going to tell me, so I'm not going to know. All I know is that is actually it's a Met Police building. So that's.
Belvedere storage facility. You've got a little clue there, haven't you?
Oh, there you go. There you go. Answering questions.
Yeah, I know, but it's nice for you to give us it in your words. Like, I've just dropped off a load of cannabis that we've just seized from a property to get it off the streets, and this is where it's stored before it gets...
My visit here today isn't as glamorous as that.
But is it the place that would handle that type of thing, though, or not? Or is it more evidence?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's only a general question.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know. I genuinely don't know, because we book our property into police stations. It's not actually a police station as such. It's a building. We book our property up to police stations, and then it goes from there to internal dispatch. So
I can see down in the far
here or
corner,
not, or the places, I don't know where it all goes.
with the drone, you can see in the far corner there's a vehicle storage compound where you seize vehicles. So there's
No, that's not here. That's not here.
well, there's an inner compound protected. There's some smashed up vehicles as well.
Yeah, that's not here. Seized vehicles for Charlton car pound. That's where we work from.
All right, okay.
For Charlton car pound. So seized vehicles for various things get stored at Charlton car pound. Here's different things.
Okay. So when you say different thing, you do know, don't you? Is it more advanced here?
No,
there's a lot of people moving
I
around.
just don't know. It's a different thing, different facility.
So would you class these civilians then, as warehouse staff civilians?
There's a whole mixture. Mixture. Yeah, different things.
So there could be police
Yeah.
not in uniform.
Yeah, definitely. 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, officers will do work out of here. Civilian staff do work out of here.
Public building, public funds, public questions. The officer tries to dodge basic info with, it's just a police building, but transparency is part of trust. The auditor asks general questions, not secrets. You don't owe police your personal reason to film a public site from a public spot. Curiosity isn't a crime. This is why filming matters. Sunlight on new government facilities keeps waste and power in check.
Colin.
No, I just wonder who that team is.
It'll be some sort of private hire enforcement team in partnership with TfL.
Okay.
They are, I've seen them doing it, and I wasn't sure whether it was getting wider and wider, you searching for that type of thing.
Oh, no, we
because
don't deal with that.
if people are avoiding
Yeah, of course.
fines and ANPR cameras,
Yeah, fortunately.
would you say the spacing would avoid NPR cameras as well?
No. Spacing, cameras can pick up space.
Right, okay.
It's just legal to be space too far, too close to us.
Would the size of the font be avoided by NPR? No.
Generally, ANPR can read most number plates. In fact, you can sometimes read like signs. What's the interest in industrial estates and
Yeah.
warehouses?
What's on the UK industrial estate today, and how do people treat you by trying to make your YouTube video?
Okay, that's good.
This is a classic
Have you
example.
come across police before?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
People call the police because they think that it's against the law just to film the building.
No, it's not. We're very aware it's not. We are very aware of that. We know the issue we've got is obviously drones are a fairly new thing last few years. So the training we get for drones is quite limited. Hence why I don't actually know myself. I don't know what.
How details surface only under pressure. At first there was nothing to say, but now we learn officers, investigators, and civilian staff operate here. That shift matters. When officials withhold simple facts, it breeds suspicion. The auditor's calm questions unlock more truth than the officer's stonewall. Polite, firm questions act as a spotlight. Keep them on.
Is it certain compliant in certain places?
Right.
Not all of us get to know exactly that.
So it's more of a case of where we are standing right now, in your opinion, yeah? Because before I fly, there's an app called Drone Assist, and it pulls the data from the Civil Aviation Authority, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So if we scroll out, you'll see London City Airport
The exclusion zone
is nearby. It's over here. So if you was,
5 kilometres, I think.
yeah, if you was in there,
Yeah.
then that'd be naughty. But we're outside.
And
See that tail there, that runway,
yeah.
and we are over here. You know.
Finally, a correct point. Public filming is legal. Then comes the excuse. Our drone training is limited. Training gaps don't create powers. Lack of knowledge isn't a license to restrict rights. If anything, it means officers should lean on the law and the map the auditor already checked. When the state admits it's unsure, the safest move is to stop interfering, not invent hurdles.
And they say it's unlikely it'll be within the restriction zone. I believe that is a power we've got. Regards to over property, again, I don't know. I think it's probably more common courtesy. You know, it's a police building flying over. I think it's going to attract attention.
Name on that. Is that your operator ID on the
On the top, yeah. It starts with OP.
I think
It starts with OP for operator.
it's more of a courtesy thing. Obviously, you're going to do that. You're going to attract attention, aren't you? You're going to have someone come up to you, ask you what you do. And that's yeah. And we'll do when we can. We'll deal with it how we can. But if it's all good and everything's okay, then that's it. Happy days.
Yeah, the thing with that is, do you know the courtesy argument? I think as long as you stay above roof high, then nobody could have the worry that you're looking in the windows, because of course nobody's prepared for drones looking through windows, you know?
Yeah.
If they've not got the frosted glass ground floor and there's a footpath next door, that's the
I
road.
think it's still reasonable to expect that if you fly over a police building, you're going to have questions asked, aren't you?
No,
can-
great, because
100%.
they might not have the operator ID on show, which is a legal requirement. They might be flying a heavy drone.
But we're also thinking along the lines of, could it be counter-terrorism? So someone could easily attach some sort of device to there, fly over and drop it. Hence why we always talk to those who are flying it.
On that one.
Clear, calm, factual. The auditor shows a CIA map. Near is not equal to inside. This is a core lesson in audits. Feelings about closeness don't change boundaries. The law draws lines. If you're outside the line, you're legal. Courtesy is nice, but courtesy isn't a statute. Don't let polite language become a leash on your rights.
To pick up any weight.
Yeah.
It's not able. But if that was a heavier drone, then you could. Yeah, you could. And you could actually.
Regardless, we'll still chat to you because it's still a drone, isn't it? It's still a drone. It's like prisons, things like that. You know, I know we don't have the certain restrictions that prisons do, but you're still going to expect questions asked, and I think we're quite a lovely conversation about what we do, what you do.
I've only asked my questions about my subject today.
Yeah.
Yours says, right, I'm not sure whether it's restricted here, and I've answered that for you on the app.
I've sort of advised myself as well.
The only thing that,
The
do
history inquiries,
you know when you say we're obviously going to talk to you,
yeah.
ask your questions, but then while you're still thinking and finding out more, it shouldn't really affect the person's lawful business because they've answered any questions that you had at the point. So I thought, right, you've seen the weight, I'm going to carry on.
Yeah.
It shouldn't delay me, just the fact that you're not
I
in the
asked
knowledge.
you to take it down. You said no. I didn't.
Well, you did. You sort of said, hold on.
Yeah, well, I'm going to ask you. I'm not going to say straight away.
Go ahead, my friend.
Please.
Sorry?
I need your name to do it. Only name, only date of birth.
I'll show you the legislation.
Here come the fear hypotheticals. Could someone abuse a drone? Sure. Could someone abuse a car? Also, yes. We don't ban cars on guesses. The drone here is 249 G, too light to carry anything meaningful. Safety check done. Hypotheticals are not probable cause. When policing shifts from facts to fear, rights get crushed under what if.
Website now, and we need your name to check it.
Okay, just quote the legislation that gives you that power. Because I don't think it does, but if you want to tell me otherwise, you can see the operator IDs up there.
I'm speaking to somebody who knows a lot more than
Yeah, let me finish my sentence. You're walking away while I'm still talking? I could have explained it to him. What it is, the operator is the owner of the drone. Right? It's not the flyer. So it doesn't need to match by law the person that's flying it. So it's operator. But when you, I mean, look, it's not even wanting to listen and learn.
So you asked me to get the legislation, which is what I'm doing.
Big moment. Demanding ID for a lawful flight is overreach. In the UK, you generally don't have to give your name unless there's a specific power, suspected offense, certain traffic powers, or targeted authorities like terrorism dispersal. Drone rules require an operator ID on the aircraft, not a personal bio on demand. The auditor already proved the weight and legality. Pushing for a name now looks like punishment for asserting rights, not public safety. Transparency came only after persistent, calm questioning. Courtesy isn't law. Fear isn't authority. Hypotheticals aren't cause. What if isn't a legal standard. Facts matter. Near an airport isn't inside an airport, and a 249G drone can't carry payloads. The auditor keeps bringing the officer back to the map. The weight and the rules and the excuses melt. Finally, the grab for name and date of birth exposes the real motive. Control the person, not the risk. In the UK, unless a clear power exists, you don't have to give your details. Applies. You don't owe your identity just because you filmed a police facility from a public place and passed the safety checks. The state doesn't get to turn curiosity into a crime. Viewers, remember the playbook. Do your checks, show your compliance, stand your ground, and keep the camera rolling. When power leans on guesses, truth breaks the spell. If you want more audits that cut through noise and keep the law on your side, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this. Want this clip to reach more people who need to see it? Drop a comment with facts over fear. Now click the video on screen to watch the next takedown of Shaky Authority.